So once you understand the concept of matrix multiplication through examples, let us finally give the mathematical definition of multiplication of two matrices. So if A is a m by n matrix and B is a n by p matrix. So suppose that you multiplying these two, you get a matrix C, which is a m by p matrix, right? The number of columns here is same as number of rows here, and you get a m by p matrix. So now, what is the definition of the multiplication? So in the product matrix, any element ij, the ijth element of the matrix C is defined as we have already seen, the product of ith row of the first matrix with the jth column of the second matrix is sigma. So we have already used P here. Sigma x goes from 1 to n. A ix into B xj. It is the elements of ith row has to be multiplied with the corresponding elements of the jth column of the matrix B. That is, if you want C11, what you do is x goes from 1 to n and I is 1 here, j is equal to 1. So A11 times B11 plus A12 times B21 plus A13 times B31, so on up to A1n times Bn1. So this is the 1 element of the product matrix. Similarly, if you want 1 2 element, so the first number will be 1, the last number will always be equal to 2, and the middle number is a summation variable. It is A11 into B12 plus A12 times B22 plus A13 times B32 plus so on plus A1n times Bn2. So on, this is how the elements of the product matrix can be calculated. So this is the mathematical definition of the product. So whenever you are given analytical questions, this definition will be useful. So Cij is sigma x equal to 1 to n, A ix into B xj. Thank you.